Hello, Bellas and Boos. It's your girl, Brown Girl, Bella that is. No more Shannon B. As you can see, my channel name has been shortened because I just want to focus on Brown Girl Bella and building that brand and bringing you lips, lashes, and luxury. So hello all of my Bellas and Boos out there. It's Brown Girl Bella back to bring you more lips, lashes, and luxury. And today I have a special treat for you because finally my Wayne Goss collection has arrived. Now, he came out with a host of lipstick pencils, lipsticks, and glosses. But for me, I just didn't think that they were brown girl friendly. So I decided I was going to get one thing from each: a lip liner, a lip gloss, and a lipstick. And those are the things that I'm going to feature here on my channel right now. So first up is the lip pencil. So the lip pencil that I chose was cinnamon. And the reason why I chose this is because I thought it would be the most versatile. And when you see the other things that I got, I thought it would pair well with those as well. So I love the packaging. First of all, it comes in this luxe silver box. So slick. And then the pencil is beautiful. The pencil is beautiful. It has the Essential Lip Pencil on it, and of course it is branded with Wayne Goss's name. I love the silver tip of the cap, and then when you take it off, it is a regular pencil that will sharpen. And I love that because it's reminiscent to me of the MAC pencils and how they perform. So let's try it. I'm going to take off what was on my lips and I'm going to try the pencil. Filling it in. And so this is what the color looks like on the lips. It's sort of a brick red, but it does have a brown base to it. I thought it would be brown girl friendly, and I see that, yeah, it is a little brown girl friendly. Now let's try this on top of the Wayne Goss lipstick. This is how the lipstick comes. Again, very sleek packaging with Wayne Goss's name at the bottom. It's not magnetic, but it does have a very sexy click to it. I love that sound. Just makes me feel secure knowing that the top will stay on the product. Ladies, you all feel me when we had that mishap of the cap not being on the product and the lipstick getting all over everything. So I like the feeling of added security with the snap. The color that I got is called Orchid. This is what the color looks like. I'm going to first swatch it on my skin so you can see what it looks like on the skin. But now we're going to add it to the lip liner. Okay, it deepened it up, made it a little bit more terracotta. I like it. This is not a color that I've had in my arsenal or in any of the collections that I've ever had. I don't think I've ever worn a lipstick shade quite like this. So it's very intriguing to me. Of course, it's competing right now with the eye makeup, but I do love this lip. All right, one last thing to try, and we're going to put that on top of everything else that we're doing. This one is the lip gloss. The gloss that I chose was Chrysanthemum. Again, I will swatch it on my hand so you can see what it looks like. So it has a rose gold metallic sheen to it. Really nice. And I do like the subtle scent of mint that's in here. It's not overpowering, but you do smell it. So if you are not so keen on scents, understand that it has a little bit of mint smell to it. Okay. I like it. So it just gave it a little bit more sheen to it. As I said before, I really do like the smell of it. I love the packaging. I think overall he won me with the packaging. All of it looks great. I really wish that it was a little bit more deeper tone for us brown girls than what it is. But hopefully we'll have another pass at it and he'll keep us in mind the next time around. So if you are my shade or a little deeper, I'd say this is probably where we need to play at, unless you don't have a lot of nudes in your arsenal. He does have a couple of pinky nudes and peachy nudes that may work for us brown girls. So do your due diligence, check it out, and see what it is. I'm going to take all of this off, and then I'm going to try the lipstick by itself and the lip gloss by itself so you can see how it looks on the lips without the liner. So first we have the lipstick in Orchid, and I'll put it on the lips. It glides really pretty. It is very creamy. Has a little bit of that petroleum kind of smell to it. But here's what it looks like alone. This is Orchid. Next, we're going to try just the lip gloss on its own. Again, the lip gloss that I got is Chrysanthemum. Again, smooth glide. I love that rose gold sheen to it. And again, I don't think I have anything in my collection quite this color. I can also pair it with a matte cork or a matte chestnut to give it more of that brownish kind of tone to it. But I love this color. I love the packaging. And yeah, this is Chrysanthemum. So Bellas, I hope you enjoyed looking through the collection. Again, I only got one thing from each of the line because I have a lot of pinky and peachy nudes, and I have a lot of brown and beigey nudes. So I thought out of everything that I saw, this was the most brown girl friendly thing that I could find to support Wayne. Not to bash him, but I do think his next foray into this needs to go a little bit deeper and consider the wide spectrum of tones and undertones that is out there for women, and especially women of color. So again, I hope you enjoyed this. Give me a thumbs up. Really helps this channel out a lot. And if you are not subscribed, please do turn that red button to gray so it stays that way. And don't forget to tap that bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload. Until next time, Bellas, you've been Bellafied.